Alright guys, we're back. Do another box. Rookies and Stars. Fortunately, Classic shorted us one hit. So I'll get with Panini to try to straighten that out. There we go with the next box, Rookies and Stars. Good luck, everybody. For the Lions, Sue and Bess, dual rookie, number to 500. Base. Rookie of TJ Ward for the Browns, not numbered. Base. Holy shit. The camera went down. It went down. Sorry, YouTubers. Calvin Johnson Elements card. Not numbered. Base. Renee Curran for the Titans rookie. Not numbered. Base. What's up, Jim? Two Park, what's up, man? We're doing football tonight. Base. Nothing, just a bunch of base. Put this down a little bit. A Brandon Graham for the Eagles. Longevity parallel number to 249. Base. Got base and a filler. Looking for a hit. First hit is for the Chiefs. Cross training for Eric Berry. Prime jersey. It's one color prime jersey. Numbered 40 of 50. A pretty nice hit for the first one. Base. Second hit for the Chargers. The wrong rookie, but still a cool card. Patch auto of Jonathan Crompton to 299. Not bad. That's a cool card. Base. Yeah, patch auto is gone. Cross training of Joe McKnight for the Jets, numbered to 500. Base. Marshawn Lynch, longevity, number to 249 for the Bills. Base. Two more hits. One auto, probably one jersey. Eric Norwood, rookie for the Panthers, not numbered. Base. That's actually probably a good thing because all those cards were damaged to the left hand corner. Anthony Dixon for the 49ers rookie. Base. This is a dud pack. All base. I'm guessing Jonathan Crompton was Tennessee player. Base. Studio rookie of Taylor Price for the Pats out of 500. Base. Dallas Clark Elements card. Base. We got 2 more hits, guys. 2 more hits coming up. Unless they shorted us. Nope, we got a hit coming up here. For the Vikings, Toby Gerhart freshman orientation jersey. Number 99 of 299. Toby Gerhart jersey. Yeah. Yeah, it's out $2.99. Nate Allen rookie for the Eagles, not numbered. Base. Jonathan Carson for the Seahawks, number 20 of 25. Not bad. Base. 4 more packs. Jared Aldrich, rookie for the Dolphins, out of 99. Base. We got 3 more packs. There they are. Akola Missai, rookie for the Finns. Base. Oh, don't tell me they shorted us again. 2 packs left, guys. I think this is a hit. Nope, that's not. Demaryius Thomas, Rookies and Stars. Rookie, not numbered, for the Broncos. Base. And if this is not a hit, we'll be shorted. You can see the box is empty in here, I believe. Take out the, yep, empty box. At least it. Last pack. Hope it's a hit. And it is a hit. For the Panthers, a David Geddes, rookie auto, numbered to 299. For the Panthers. So there you go. We're gonna hit up the thing that we've been waiting for. Exquisite is coming up next. Thanks for watching.